Well, a wetter than normal spring is fueling fears related to the Zika virus. Add to that confirmed cases of the virus in Texas, where heavy flooding could mean more mosquitoes this spring. So how much should you worry? Joining us now is Senior Managing Editor for Fox News Health, Dr. Manny Alvarez. Dr. Alvarez, a lot of concerned, perhaps expecting mothers out there. What advice do you have for folks ahead of summer?
Well, I think, people should be concerned about mosquitoes, especially in the southern part of the U.S., but, don't panic. We have a Zika problem. There's no doubt about that. Central America, the Caribbean, South America for sure. We know that the mosquito has been found in many states throughout the U.S., and it's going to be a very hot summer, a very wet summer, so that you have the perfect storm for having a lot of mosquitoes infestation in different parts of the country. The problem is mosquito is one thing, but the mosquitoes must carry the Zika virus, and right now we have very few cases of Zika infected individuals. Listen, one of the biggest challenges that I face right now, because I get this question, I'm an OBGYN, so every day I see patients in the hospital who said, listen, I just went down to the Caribbean and now I want to be tested. We're not quite ready in the U.S. To be doing routine Zika virus testing in a timely manner. This is a big challenge for the medical community right now. I myself, I sent a Zika virus test 10 weeks ago from a patient of mine, and I'm still waiting for the results. So we have a lot of work to do locally in the U.S., and I know the CDC is trying to create pathways so that laboratories can run these tests more efficiently. But we have a long way to go for that to happen. So in the meantime, you stay away, listen to the news. If there's any clusters, we will, of course, we will inform you. But be very prudent about mosquito control now in the summer, especially in your home.
The CDC, like you said, is laying out a phased response, it says. I want to ask you, what about, the unforeseen? We talked about Houston. They just had a ton of rain, perhaps more than they ever anticipated. So what about all the stagnant water and, like you mentioned, all the high temperatures?
Yeah, look, I think that every community, one of the things that they have to do, including yourself as an individual for your home, you have to be aware that if especially in a rainy season, you have to look around for stagnated water. You have to make sure that it goes, you drain it, goes away. There are a lot of products, both natural and commercial, that can kill mosquitoes. So be very active in cleaning up your backyard, and the communities have to do a good job.
Okay, perfect. Well, Dr. Manny Alvarez, thank you so much. Of course, for our viewers at home, cdc.gov is a great resource. And, of course, check out foxnews.com for all of your recent headlines. Dr. Manny, thank you so much.